Hello friends, hope you all are doing great. This is Shubham and welcome to my YouTube channel Code with Crazy and Career Insights. So let's see about today's latest job update. So first job opening from the Deloitte going to hire for the analyst designation. So instead of this analyst, they are going to hire for the multiple job roles. So here you can see that they are going to hire for the development analyst, business solution analyst and system analyst job role. Here you can see that the list of responsibility given for the each and every job role. You can go through it. Let me tell you about the key skills and the eligibility criteria. So the candidates will be completed their graduation from BE, BTech, MCA along with the 60% in their graduation. Also, there will be no any backlog areas will be help them to get shortlisted for the job application. Also, candidates will be have excellent analytical as well as communication skill. They must be know how to prioritize tasks, how to work on the multiple assessment, and how to raise questions or concerns. These are things candidates will be know before apply for the job application. Candidates should be enthusiastic about the learning the new things, having the basic understanding about the project standards, knowledge on the methodology, and understanding the process of the implementing initiatives will be help them to get shortlisted for the job application. So basically, the company going to hire for the Hyderabad location. So this is one type of the great opportunity for the fresh graduate. That is, they must have to apply for the job application. So for apply for the job role, you have to click on this apply now tab, and after that you have to fill all the mandatory details. Then you have to click on the submit tab. Then your job application will be get submitted for the job role. So let's see about the next job update, which is from the tech link going to hire for the fresher programmer. So basically, this hiring is open for the 2022 or 2023 batch pass of students. So they must have to apply for the job application. So here you can see that the company overview, you can go through it. Let me tell you about the key skills and the eligibility criteria. So candidates should have excellent programming skills. They must be know how to do work along with the Java, Python, C, C++. Having the basic understanding about the Arduino software will be help them to get shortlisted for the job application. Also, candidates should be joule or enthusiastic about the learning the new technologies like ECP analytics, data visualization, cloud analytics, and they must be know how to do work along with these all emerging technologies. Candidates should be have excellent communication skill as well as verbal and written communication skill will be help them to get shortlisted for the job application. So before apply for the job application, the candidate should be completed their graduation from BE, BTech, MCA, from CS, IT or EC background. They must be from the 2022 or 2023 batch pass of students. Having the 60% in their graduation will be help them to get shortlisted for the job application. So basically, this application process follow the three round of process. The first will be the online written test, contain the questions on the aptitude, analytical reasoning, and programming questions. And the second round will be the technical discussion. So if you get shortlisted for the first round of the online assessment test, the company going to invite you for the technical discussion. So you must have to enthusiast and as well as you have to showcase your skill during your technical discussion. Then if you get qualified with all two round of process, then the final will be the HR or managerial round. So it's a one of the basic round, that is you can easily qualify with this round. So during this round you must be showcase your communication skill. You must be sure you must have show your interest for the company. So these all things you have to do at the time of this all rounder process. So the company going to offer is CTC for a total 6 LPA for the job application. So this is one of the great opportunity for the better. Even they are going to provide some additional benefits. So as based on your performance as well as they are going to offer some annual increment. So this is all about the job date. So this is one of the great opportunity that they will get the 6 LPA as a salary if they get shortlisted for the job application. So the company here you can see that the company going to hire for the Hyderabad location. So after getting selection, you must be ready to locate for the Hyderabad. So apply for the job application. You have to click on this apply tab, and after that you have to fill all the mandatory details. Then you have to click on the submit tab. Then your job application will be get submitted for the job role. So let's see about the next job update, which is from to the Adobe going to hire for the software quality engineer. So basically, this job application is related to the quality assurance services. So candidates will be know how to do along with the automation as well as manual testing. They must be know how to do work along with the Selenium, Zmeter, having the basic understanding about the core Java as well as SQL queries will be help them to get shortlisted for the job role. So basically, this hiring open for to the BEBT candidate. If also if they completed their graduation from 2022 or 2023 batch pass of students, then they are applicable for the job application. So for apply for the job role, you have to click on this apply now tab, and after that you have to fill all the mandatory details. So let's see about the next job update, which is come to the Verizon going to hire for to the software engineer development role. So company going to hire for to the Bangalore location. So after getting selection, you must have to relocate for to the Bangalore. So let me tell you about the eligibility criteria and the key responsibility. Here you can see that the company overview. You can go through it. So before apply for the job application, the candidate should be completed their graduation from Bachelor of Degree, must be have 0 to 1 year of experience will be help them to get shortlisted for the job application. Also candidates should be have a strong analytical as well as communication skill. Having the interpersonal skill will be help them to get qualified for this job application. Candidates should be have a must be know how to do work along with the team, having the collaborative as well as fast moving environment will be help them to get a shortlist for the job application. So candidates will have basic understanding about all the coding languages. Also must be know how to do work along with the emerging technologies like cloud-based services. As well, they must be have a basic understanding of the visualization will be extra factor to get shortlist for the job application. So for apply for the job role, you have to click on this apply now tab, and after that you have to fill all the mandatory details. Then you have to click on the submit tab. Then your job application will be get submitted for the job role. So let's see about the next job update, which is from the gain side, going to hire for the associate technical analyst intern role. So basically, this hiring open for the pre-final year as well as 2023 batch class of students. So after getting selection, if you ready to locate for the Hyderabad location, then you must have to apply for the job application. So here you can see about the company overview. The number of lines are given here. You can go through it. So let me tell you about the key skills and eligibility criteria. So before apply for the job application, the candidates will have basic understanding about the object-oriented programming languages. They must be know how to solve the problem, having the critical as well as logical thinking will help them to get qualified for the all-rounder process of the job application. So before apply for the job application, the candidates will be completed their graduation from BE Tech, having the basic understanding about the coding skills, database management system, like they must be know how to perform the API operations, having the good interpersonal communication, verbal as well as the written communication skill, as well as presentation skill will be help them to get qualified for this job application. So for apply for the job role, you have to click on this apply tab, and after that you have to fill all the mandate details. Then you need to click on the submit tab. Then your job application will be get submitted for the job role. So for apply for the all job application, the apply link is given in this video description. You can go through it. So thank you so much for watching this video. Show your support by liking this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on notifications for more upcoming job updates. So thank you so much.